In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the edit history of a cell in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature when you're working on shared documents, as it allows you to track any modifications and understand who made them and when. Whether you're managing a collaborative project, double-checking your own work, or just curious about changes in your data set, Google Sheets makes it easy to look back at the cell's history. So let's dive into the process of viewing and understanding the edit history of a cell. First, you'll want to start by opening your Google Sheet and locating the specific cell whose edit history you want to review. It could be a cell with critical data, or perhaps a section where multiple team members have access and contribute. Once you've identified the cell, go ahead and click to select it. This step ensures that you're focusing on the correct area of your spreadsheet and narrows down which information you need to investigate. Next, after selecting your cell, perform a right-click. This action will open a context menu with several options directly related to your selected cell. Right-clicking is your gateway to a variety of useful features in Google Sheets, so it's a handy skill to remember not just for this task, but for navigating Sheets in general. From the menu that appears, you'll want to look for the option labelled Show Edit History. Clicking this will open a new window or side pane, bringing you detailed insights about the cell's changes. You should see a chronological list that outlines each modification, complete with timestamps. This allows you to pinpoint exactly when a change was made, which is especially helpful if several updates were applied in a short span of time. This window will give you a timeline of edits, showing not just when changes occurred, but sometimes who made those modifications. It offers a clear audit trail, making it easier to manage accountability in collaborative environments. If your sheet is set up where user information is captured, it'll add an extra layer of transparency by showing usernames next to modifications. Now, you might notice there are arrows located at the top right corner of this Edit History pop-up. By clicking on these arrows, you can easily navigate through the list of changes. These arrows are your navigation tools to scroll back and forth through the edit history of that specific cell. It's worth pausing and reviewing any edits that seem significant or unexpected, so be sure to use them to thoroughly examine each update. And there you have it, a straightforward method to review and understand the edit history of a cell in Google Sheets. Remember that consistently checking edit histories can aid in catching errors early and ensuring smooth collaboration. Keep exploring and familiarizing yourself with these features, as they're crucial for maintaining clean and accurate data. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting!